Welcome sa Invested. So today, we're going to discuss how to figure out if a stock is worth buying, and how to value a stocks, and how to determine if the underlying business is wonderful or not. Okay, so in these episodes, I will bring the real example of various stocks para mas lalo nating maintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay about investing. Okay, so kung ready na kayo, let's start and see you on the other side. Welcome sa ating channel. So in this video, this is not a single video. It is a series of videos with episodes so that we will go over of each steps para mas lalo nating maintindihan ang investing world. So dito itatalakay din natin yung mga criteria ko kung paano ako nag-i-invest sa stock market. So dito iisa-isahin natin yan, no, para mas lalo nating maintindihan. Okay, so in this series, I will share my full investing strategies or my full investing analysis to certain stocks para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano ako nag-i-invest and naghahanap ng mga stocks or potential stocks na pwedeng pag-investan dito sa ating merkado. Para makapagbigay ako sa inyo guys ng value. Kasi yung purpose itong ating channel ay para makapagbigay ng value sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lamang sa pag-i-invest sa stock market. Okay, so before we start, I'm not a financial advisor. So the idea presented on this video are for educational purposes only. You and only you are responsible for financial decision that you make. Okay, so in this video, I will share my full knowledge of investing for free. And also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga videos na paparating dito sa ating channel. And if you want to expand your investing knowledge, please subscribe and hit the like button dito sa ating videos. Okay, so let's start. So as a value investor, I try to invest only in wonderful companies because I don't want to gamble my money. Instead, I want to build real, long-lasting wealth with it. So, I must make sure that the business I choose will rise the value over the long term. Okay, so yung mga i-share ko dito sa inyo guys ay ito yung mga natutunan ko sa mga legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Manish Pavrai, Peter Lynch, Bill Ackman, and many more investors. So by learning from those giants, I ended up understanding that you need only 4 main studies before you can identify if a stock is worth buying or not. And I simply go over those 4 main studies before I invest in any stocks. So those 4 main studies are: number 1, understanding the business; number 2, financials of the company; number 3, the company have a good management or the company have a good CEO; and the number 4, the price of the stocks. Those are the 4 studies to figure out if the stocks are worth of your money. Okay, I will describe each of them now, and starting from episode 2, we are going to dig deeper about understanding the business. And in episode 3, we are going to dig deeper about the financials of the company. And in the episode 4, we are going to discuss the company have a good management or the CEO of the company have an integrity. The next are how to find intrinsic value of stocks. Those 4 studies are the main studies you want to go deep in order to figure out if the stocks is worth buying or not. And I will add additional information to our episodes about investors' mindset, psychology, behavior skills, and competency. And the whole investment analysis will not make sense if you don't have the correct approach to investing, and we will also learn how to not listen to anyone, including me, and we will know how to have enough confidence on what we are doing. Also, a good investors who has the right mindset and doesn't sell or buy the stocks based on the emotions. And the good investors have enough good knowledge. So let me tell you my favorite quote by Benjamin Franklin. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Know what you own and know why you own it. Peter Lynch. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Warren Buffett. Okay, so the conclusion of those quotes are we spend enough time, money, and other resources on our education to become the person who is confident on his action and knows exactly what to do in the market. So we are going to have a very, very deep study to our next episode of this series. And I will show the exact real-life examples on various stocks. So the next episode are all about understanding the business. Hi guys, so make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga videos na paparating dito sa ating channel. And kung may nakuha kayong value dito sa video natin ngayon, so please like and share nyo to sa mga iba na potential investors para mas marami pa tayong matulungan na nag-uumpisa pa lamang sa pag-i-invest sa ating merkado. Okay guys, so once again, this is PSC Warrior nagpapaalalang invest wisely and see you on the other side. Hello guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana marami kayo natutunan sa video na to. So kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na parating at marami pa kayong matututunan sa channel na ito. Maraming salamat!